All right, so we're trying to get x on one side and the numbers on the other. That's the goal. So I have 2x here and 3x there. So I'm going to remove 2x from both sides. That's a zero pair, it goes away. So here I have just 1x left, plus 2, and a plus 6. So I need to eliminate this 2. I want x by itself. So we're going to remove 2 from both sides. 6 minus 2 is 4. Okay. All right, over here, let's see. Now remember, this standard is I can solve linear equations in one variable that require combining like terms. So I've got some like terms that need to be combined. I have the -1 and the -4. So this is -4x minus 5. We need to get the x's on one side. So let's see here. I want to get rid of this -4x. I don't like them. I don't like negatives. So I'm going to add 4x to create a zero pair. So I'll add 4x here. This is 5x. 4x plus 1x is 5x. I need to get x by itself, so I need to eliminate this positive 10. So create a zero pair. So I have 5x equals -5 and -10 is -15. Now we're going to divide this up into 5 equal groups. So x is -3. Right? -15 into 5 equal groups is -3. Okay, here we go. Got 4y minus 2y. That's 2y. Trying to get y by itself. So I'm going to create a zero pair with this 8. So now I have 2y equals 12. Divide this up into 2 equal groups. And y is 6. Okay. All right, we got to get x on one side. So I can either remove 4 or remove 2. I'm going to remove 2 so that I can work with positive numbers. Zero pair. So this is going to be 2x minus 7. Need to get rid of this because I want x by itself. So a -7, I'm going to create a zero pair by adding 7. So now I have 2x is equal to -10 plus 7 is -3. All right, I have to divide -3 up into 2 groups. Well, -3 divided by 2 is -1.5. Or -1.5 is fine as well. Okay. All right, let's see here. Nothing to do on the left. On the right, we have to combine some like terms. I have 2 and -11. So that negative stays with the 2x. -2x. 2 minus 11 is -9. So now we got to get x on one side. So I could either create a zero pair here or here. I don't really like negatives, so I'm going to add 2x to the side to create a zero pair. So I'll add 2x here. 7x plus 5 equals a -9. Need to get x by itself, so I'm going to create a zero pair with a -5. -5 on the other side. It goes away. 7x equals -14. Divide that into 7 equal groups. So x ends up being -14 into 7 equal groups is -2. Okay, got some combining to do. I've got 1 plus 3 minus 1 is 2x. And I've got an x and 2x, so that's a positive 3x. And that -4 stays -4. Going to remove 2x from both sides. So I have 1 equals 3 minus 2 is 1x. Need to get x by itself, so I'm going to add 4 to create that zero pair. X equals 5. Okay, 2 more. 5x and a 2x, that's 7x. I've got an x and a 5x, so that's 6x plus 7. So I'm going to remove 6x from both sides. So that's going to be 1x. Need to create that 0 pair. And x equals 7 plus 3, 10. Okay. Last one. Okay, so I have a 3 and a 10. 3 and a positive 10, that's 13. 3x minus x, so that's 2x. Okay, we've got to get x on one side, so I'm going to remove 2x. 5 minus 2, it's 3x. Now I need to get x by itself, so create that 0 pair, negative 4. 13 minus 4 is 9. Split this up into 3 equal groups, and we get x equals 3.